Welcome. We're the Teenage Non-Pollutant Ninja Turtles. I'm Drew Coffin.
I'm Francesca Churchill.
I'm Lauren Anchetta.
I'm Lucas Emery.
I'm Max Moore.
And we are here to tell you about our proposed solution to the sea turtle crisis.
Our problem statement is how might we protect the sea turtles in Florida from light pollution in order to get them safely to the ocean and preserve their population?
First off, why should you care about the sea turtles? Well, sea turtles are vital to the coast's ecosystem, and humans have brought them to the brink of extinction. Light pollution from cities in Florida distract baby sea turtles from the natural moonlight reflected off of the water and lead them to their deaths in the city. Now Lauren will tell you about our proposed solution.
So we came up with the solution of a hut that can protect the sea turtles from light pollution while guiding them to the sea at the same time. On the right is a 3D model of our hut that will go into the sand over the sea turtle nest. This shell will block the light pollution from the city, and the light on top will direct the sea turtles into the ocean since they're attracted to light. The image on the left shows how our system would work in a real situation. In this image, you can see that solar panels will be mounted onto the side of the hut as an energy source, and this energy will power the Raspberry Pi and the motion sensors to control the LED that will guide the sea turtles into the ocean after hatching.
Most of our testing was done with the sensor and the light. As you can see in the middle video, we were able to successfully build a subsystem using these. From there, we could continue to test the sensitivity of the sensor as well as the duration of the light using our makeshift hut off on the right picture.
This will be put in place by being built in a local Florida warehouse so that it can be easily distributed to sea turtle volunteer organizations, which will then utilize their volunteers to place the products over the nests.
This is our table for individual costs. We pulled this data from various resources, such as manufacturers, as well as the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. We've marked up the price by 10% in order to have money to pay off our overhead prices, which are the warehouse where the huts will be made and the transportation of the huts to the volunteer turtle organizations. One unit will cost around $340 to $380. There's roughly 400,000 sea turtle nests across the beaches of Florida. If we were to cover every nest in the state of Florida, the total cost will be around $136 million, not including the overhead costs. The benefits of these nest installments would be that a larger amount of the baby sea turtles would make it to the ocean, therefore increasing the population that make it into adulthood, and potentially bringing them out of endangerment.
In the end, we are able to build a reliable hut that'll be around for several hatching seasons, and more importantly, a hut that'll help save the turtles. Are there any questions?